Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to this special episode where I am going to give my version of the story that has been developing for the last 1 week. And first of all, before I explain what has happened, I would like to apologize to Mr. Vijay, who goes in the name of Vijay Invites in the Twitter. People say, being a huge influencer, I should not have used certain unparliamentary words, and I do agree, I should not have used it. Whether I'm an influencer or not, I should have avoided it. But of course, no need to say I did not mean it, and I tweeted it only for the purpose of argument to make him understand the concept. So otherwise, I don't even know whether he has a daughter or not. I advise you to go back and check the tweet again, although I deleted, and it is he who said, if a man testifies, the women also should testify. And my point is that, it's nobody's business. So people are only taking my last tweet out of context. Since so many people were trolling me, and this Mr. Vijay, and probably is not a troller, and he might have given his frank opinion also, but probably he may not know my background. Just come and ask for verification of P&L, and probably he does not know that my verified P&L is with the Ministry of Corporate Affairs, and also in our YouTube also we have posted many times. In one of my YouTube video, I posted complete P&L of last 5 years. Most of you may not know, I've been targeted by some trolls, and they've been repeatedly trolling me, and I lost my patience, and I said few things out of frustration. I don't have a biological daughter, but I have few women in my life whom I consider as my daughters. And not only that, I do have at least more than 10 girl children. I am paying the school fees for them. So their education is because of me. And because once upon a time, my education was because of some charity. So now I am doing the charity for many girl children. There is a company, according to some trusted sources, they came up with some marketing strategy to target many influencers. And for your information, the same company was behind me for a long time to promote their product. And I do still have the WhatsApp messages sent by them, and not only 1, 2 or 3 people, including the CEO of the company, and who was after us to promote their product, and certain terms were not agreeable. And we also heard from some of my friends who are actually promoting him that this company had some unethical practices. So ever since we refused, this company produces a software which is more suitable for option players. I'm one of the big option players, so they know that if I promote their product, so they can do very well. So I've already told you many times, so if at all we want to promote, so we see that we also benefit, the company also benefit, and my viewers also benefit. And my viewers should get some discount, my viewers should get some value. And this particular company, at some point of time, we agreed to promote them subject to one condition. So they were putting, some traders profit and loss. You can copy those traders by paying some money, and they were showing, 700% profit, 800% profit in 1 week. So that we were not agreeable. And we always see stock market as a business, not stock market as a gambling. So even I do a conference, so far I've never invited any person to my conference who says, is making 1000% return in 1 month. We strictly want to see stock market as a business, not as a gambling. That was the only reason we refused at the end of the day. Recently what they've done, they've introduced a feature to verify MTM. He's trying to verify your MTM. Every time you want to verify MTM, you have to go to his website where he will be promoting his products and services. So remember, he's not doing charity, he's doing it as a promotion for his business. And that is one of the reasons why I am not interested in verifying my MTM. And also, the moment I said MTM verification may be misleading, profit and loss only should be verified. Then the day I said, the next day onwards, he started using the word verified P&L, verified P&L. Reportedly, So these people used fake IDs to troll the top traders. You verify using this company. If you are not verifying, you are a fraud. And that is where I got angry when the troller said that I am a fraud. How can it be? I have already verified with the government of India. You think that this third party is bigger than the government of India? So they are all paid trollers, okay, and this is clearly a marketing strategy. For example, take my case. Last week I posted in Twitter a snapshot from my back office. My MTM profit or loss, it was showing minus 50 lakhs. I am sitting with an MTM loss of 50 lakh rupees. If I share my MTM, that is definitely going to show 50 lakhs. But you go to my back office and it is showing a profit of more than 4.1 crore. So booked profit is 4.1 crore, MTM loss is 50 lakhs, which means that I am sitting with a 3.6 crore profit. But if I verify only MTM, it will give a wrong picture. And if you want, I can prove you give me one account without making even 1 rupee profit, I can show you MTM profit of 10 lakh rupees. This is possible. That is why I say MTM can be misleading, only the profit and loss. In fact, I came out with a video few weeks before. I said there is only one solution. The brokers have to come out with username and password, which is only read only. So if my broker can come out with a read only username password, I can give it to anybody, can log into my back office, you can check my P&L, you can check my MTM, whatever you want to check, you can check. But it should be only read only. So in my case, there was a 50 lakh loss, MTM, profit was 4.1 crore. In somebody's case, it can be opposite. MTM profit can be 50 lakhs, overall loss may be 4.1 crore. You know, they will show MTM profit 50 lakh, that can be misleading. But at the same time, I do agree, there are many frauds in this community. They don't want to verify their MTM. That's because they are frauds. Let us say for argument purpose, you still want to see that verified MTM, okay, fine, you can go and ask other people. But why you need to ask PR Sundar? Because my P&L is completely verified by auditor and we filed income tax and the documents are available with Ministry of Corporate Affairs. You can see the link in description. So we have given one website where you go and pay some few hundred rupees. You can get the data all our last 5-year financial report. When I said this, somebody commented, sir, your trading profit may be clubbed with other income under the business income. Let me categorically tell you, no. In our tax return, we have clearly mentioned profit or loss from derivative trading. That is done separately. Profit or loss in equity investment and profit or loss in training. If you are a real troll, you should know, you should have been trolling me for more than a year. And last year, in the year 2020-2021, and I actually made a loss of 1.37 crore in derivative trading. That time they actually took the data from Ministry of Corporate Affairs. They circulated in the Twitter. You see, PR Sundar lost 1.37 in stock market. PR Sundar lost 1.37 in stock market. And they are silent when they see 20 crore profit in last financial year. And do you think that these people have not taken this from MCA website? They would have taken it. But because of 20 crore profit, they don't want to post it. So, still you know why people target me? It's very simple. You target the big people. You tell them, you verify with this company, otherwise you are fraud. You verify this company, otherwise fraud. Then, you know, once we get fed up, once we verify, then they get a very good promotion of their websites. Because people want to see, more and more people want to see our P&L, and then, you know, these people can develop their brand. So, even now I am telling you, if you think that I am still a fraud, okay, you suggest any company having a website where they want to verify my MTM, they want to verify my P&L. I am ready to do it from tomorrow, provided they are not promoting their brand. Maybe you come out with a website, verifiedpndl.com, and you ask me to verify. But nobody should be promoting their business. So, at the end of the day, this is a marketing business, marketing strategy by one company. That company has already made a profit of 7.5 crore last financial year. And they are ambitious to make 75 crore profit this financial year. That is why they are doing all these marketing gimmicks. And trollers who don't understand all these things, they just are jealous of my growth. They just come and troll me. Whenever you talk against a big guy, all his haters will join them. So that is how their force has become very big. So the bottom line is that, people want to promote their brand, using PR Sundar. Although this unfortunate thing has happened, and I apologized immediately, and I said that, if you look at the context, the people will understand. So there are one or two of sponsors have opted out of Cochin conference. So I did a conference in Dubai. There were no sponsors, only one sponsor, and we have done it. And in Cochin, even without any sponsor also, we will run the show. But however, media partner moneycontrol.com and title sponsor Delta Exchange, both of them are on our site. So remaining sponsors, so some of them may be in, some of them may be out, and they still have time to decide. I have given them the choice. They want to continue, they can continue. If they do not want to continue, we respect their decision, they can opt out. So money is not the criteria for me. If money is the criteria for me in everything, we get at least 4 to 5 proposals for collaboration in our YouTube, and we don't take it. And if money is the criteria, why should I donate more than 1 crore during the coronavirus time? And all the people who say that, all kinds of bad languages, all kinds of scolding for one such mistake, where these people have gone when I donated more than 1 crore? Did they speak any good word? Even there they speak bad words only. Oh, you are donating, why are you telling people? You donate, you should not publicize it. And we publicize everything for inspiration. So there is a thin line between inspiration and show off. Let me tell you, I just don't care about the trolls and stupids. There is a song in Tamil, Dharmam Thalai Kaakkum, Takka Samayathil Uyir Kaakkum, Kuda Irunde Kuli Parithalum, Kodutthathu Kaathu Nirkkum. It means the charity that you have done will save your life. Even your close friends betray you, and still the charity that you have done will save your life. So my karma will save me, and that is my message to trolls. No matter what you do, no matter how much you curse me, my karma will save me. Many people try to defame me by saying that I speak against women, I disrespect women, and all those kind of things. How many of you know I have a small company? There are only about 10 people working for me. Half of my employees are women. Out of these, there are Christians, there are Hindus, there are Muslims. And how many of you know some of the employees are Tamil, some of the employees are Telugu, some of the employees are Malayalis. We have different language, we have different religion, a different gender. I can tell you very honestly, I did not decide to do like this, but it has happened like that. So when we employ the people, we only see whether they are suitable for the post. It's very sad. In other field, the people belong to the same community, they form an association, they work together, but among trading community, there is so much rivalry. People, talk bad about me, and many traders were behind trolling me. You do good things, they will not see. And out of some, momentarily impulse behavior, you make a small mistake, they will blow it out of proportion. And unfortunately, one media person is very much involved in this. Let his karma take care of him. I do not care about trollers' opinion about me. You can take away Twitter from me, you can take away YouTube from me, but I still can survive with my trading income. People think that I am doing everything for money. First thing is that, if I'm in Twitter, I have no revenue from Twitter. So it is not true that, I'm doing everything for money. So my trollers may think anything, they talk anything. My true followers know that, okay, it is my passion. And I'm at the age of 58 and going to become 59 in another 3 months. And let me tell you, most of my friends prepare for retirement life. But now I do so many things. Why? Because I have a passion for doing all these things. And teaching and trading are 2 T's for me. And the God will judge me by seeing both good things and bad things I have done. And so that is why God is God. And let me close this video with one quotation by Lord Krishna. Whatever has happened for good. Whatever is happening for good. And whatever will happen, it will happen for good. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.